So let's look at how to add a payment method to your ads manager and able to run ads on the Facebook. Before you can run ads on the Facebook, you need to make sure you include a payment method, that's effective payment method for Facebook to charge you from that account. And we find it difficult on adding a card to our Facebook ads account or the ads manager. On this video, I will show you the best two virtual card or card that you can add or create and add to this payment method on your Facebook for you to be able to run an effective ads and drive traffic or get sales from your product. So let's take you to the screen so you can add your payment method. First off, you need to make sure you go to your ads account or you go to the ads manager. That's where we are going to add the ads account. So on my screen here, that is I'm on the business site, okay, or Meta business site. So make sure you come to this side, that's the ads manager. This is where we are supposed to create an ads. For an ads here, you'll see it display here, but that's not what we are going to do. We are going to add a payment method to this ads account. So come to this here where you see the all tools here. Okay, so if I type here, you see billing and payment. Click on that one, and this drop menu or this menu will pop up. On this menu, we have account, we have payment method. Hit on the payment method here, and here this is my payment or the card that I've added to this payment method or this account. So for you to do that, you need to make sure you come to this section called add payment method and hit on that one. And here we are going to choose our payment method. That's what we are going to use for Facebook to charge us for. We have debit or credit card here, we have PayPal, and we have add credit card. Okay, so this option we are going to use a credit card option. So you hit on next here, and here the first one we are going to enter your name on the card number, the expiry date, and the CVV number. So once you are done, then you hit on save. It will be saved. The question is, what card can I add or can I use on this platform? I recommend these two cards that you can use on this platform. The first one that I recommend is EcoBank virtual card. It's a card that you create on EcoBank, and you have 12-month free use that you can use this and add it to your payment method on Facebook. The next one is Evercent virtual card. This card is made or created in dollars, and you can use it to add it to your payment method on Facebook. If you want to create all this card, I have video. I'll put a link in the description that you can use that one. Go in, create your account, and use this card for your payment method on Facebook. One opportunity is that Evercent card can also be added to PayPal account that you can use it on any other platform. So you can go in and check in the description, create your account, get your virtual card, and use it for anything that you want to use it for on online platform. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you are new to you haven't liked this video, like, subscribe. If you have any questions, put in the comment section. We come in and answer. See you in the next video.